Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I will try to answer the question of case study 17 about informed consent. So let's check this out. And the question of case study 17 is, should the doctor have acted differently with respect to the explanation he gave to Mr. S, with taking into consideration that Mr. S was an extremely anxious patient? My answer is yes, the doctor have acted differently with respect to the explanation he gave to Mr. S, because I think Mr. S is indicated to have a high level of anxiety about the biopsy action, and this is indicated by Mr. S before the biopsy that he was unable to die and when he had to be sedated by Dr. D. With the high level of anxiety, it can interfere with the mental and healing process of patient and inhibit the biopsy, so that Mr. S requires information that is different from what Dr. D normally convey, so as not to add anxiety to Mr. S. I think Mr. S has not received adequate psychological preparation regarding the biopsy, and Dr. D has failed to convince Mr. S by not providing complete information about the biopsy action that will be carried out by Mr. S. It's true, before Mr. S agreed in writing the biopsy treatment procedure, Dr. D has provided an explanation of the procedure for the biopsy, the effect and possible risks of complication from the biopsy to be performed, but Dr. D wasn't aware of and didn't inform Mr. S about the risks of biopsy that could pierce the spleen or liver organ, and didn't explain beforehand about how to hold his breath or refrain from moving during the biopsy, and this is Dr. D's mistake. In my opinion, Dr. D needs to evaluate the decision to conduct a biopsy on Mr. S, who is still anxious, and I suggest when Dr. D explains about the patient illness, it should be accompanied by a description of patient potential for recovery in order to support the patient confidence to recover by using the right word. And it is like effective communication, so it doesn't add to the mental burden of the patient. Besides that, Dr. D is also required to inform Mr. S that his spleen leaked as a result of the biopsy carried out by Dr. D, because I think that it is Mr. S' right as a patient to receive clear and honest information about the patient condition and services that have been received, that stated in article number 4 of law number 8 of 1999 about customer rights, and in article number 32 law number 44 of 2009 concerning the right of patient to obtain effective and efficient services, so that the patient avoid physical and material losses, and Dr. D has violated the right of the Mr. S. Okay, thanks for watching my video. See you next time and goodbye.